So I got my buddy here, TB, and we're putting down some flooring, and I'll have you guys take a quick look at it, if you can see it. Okay, thanks. This is what we're doing for the gym, and I'll kind of just show you guys what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some adhesive underneath it so it doesn't move, and you can watch it. So we're all done with this flooring, some turf that we put down, and we put some medicine balls and some weights to hold it down. We have to fill in this gap, so I'll probably go to Menards again. And on this side, we're going to put this underneath where Hannah's car will be parked. So we'll be completing that now. All right, so we have this side partially done. I want to be able to get more and finish off this strip and then get more of some of the turf and finish off the strip by the garage and then this little area right here where my work table will be. But thank you guys for seeing how I did this, and we'll move on to the next thing. Let's goody guys. All right, we are now going to be putting in decorations. I want to give a big shout out to my mom, who is obsessed with Hobby Lobby and decided to buy Hobby Lobby garage man cave decorations out. They're probably out of stock, so don't go there. Don't go get them or anything like that. But thank you, Mom. I love you. And time to put them up.
So we finished up putting all of these decorations on our walls, and we put them all on here. We have some for the Chiefs, of course. We have our garage sign, California sign, because I'm from California.
Don't forget the chicken over there to represent.
Yes, the chicken from Ryan. And we have other signs, and then that area we still have to finish painting. So once we finish painting it, we're gonna do this paint this pegboard black, and then we're gonna put these other sides up, and this is gonna be kind of where his tools are. And then, I'm sure Trey already said, but we're gonna buy more turf to put down here, and then he'll have his tool bench over there. But it's exciting to get it done. It's getting cold out, so we need to get a heater in here, but we're almost there.
Tell them about the workout equipment next.
Yes, next we will start investing in more workout equipment, not my makeshift workout equipment that I've had to use lately. But that'll be our next investment, which we're super excited about. And then we'll have a full-blown gym in here. And this is gonna be our chalkboard wall where we write our workouts. So it's gonna be fun.
Thank you guys for watching this 3-part, I guess, series or whatever you want to call it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and like it, share it, and have a great day.